So let's create a Spark page for our greetings challenge. So go up to the plus, click it, and in the drop down select web page. And let's have a quick look before we get started at the writing that we're going to use here. Just simple greetings in Spanish. I'd say hello to someone, what's your name, goodbye, that kind of thing. So let's go back to our Spark page, put a title in, the greetings challenge, whatever you want. Put your name in maybe, and then I'm going to search for a photo. I'm going to go to the find free photos. Everything here is copyright free, and search for something appropriate. So shake hands would be a good one. And I think that one's actually quite boring, so I'm going to click it again, go to replace, and then scroll down until I see something a bit more interesting. There you go, lots of photos in the background. I like that one. So next up, what I'm going to do is scroll down, click split layout. Got text on one side, image on another. I'm going to put my text in, paste it in there. Change to header 1, which is one of the biggest font sizes, and put them onto different sections. And on the left hand side, I'm going to click there and search for a good image. I'm going to select this one, but it kind of chops it off at the side, so maybe find a different one. There we go, that's better. Come out of that, and then I'm happy with that section, so scroll down, split layout again. Get my next section of text here, just to say, what my name is, and ask them what their name is, y tú. Change it to header 1 again, on the right hand side, an appropriate image. I'll choose the shake hands one again because this one was good, I quite like that. And then I'll go down, split layout again. I'm going to keep on using the split layout, especially for these first sections. I might change it up again at the end. But actually, maybe I'll put all the my name is and all that kind of thing. Maybe I'll put all of that on the same kind of line. And then go down to the next bit, which is, saying thanks very much, I'm good. How are you? Paste it in again. I'm going to try and separate these things out, but let me just find a photo first. So thumbs up would be a good one here because you're saying I'm very good, thanks, how are you? And then I've copied all of that, but I think I don't actually need it. I'm going to take off that hasta luego, which is see you later, and keep that. I'm going to put that in its own thing. So just change the font size. And for this last one, instead of a split layout, I think I'll go for a full-size photo. I think that would be better. So here I'll find the photo I want. So this is for saying goodbye. So let's see what photos we've got here. Okay, we'll choose this one, see how we go with it. Put it in as not a full width actually, I think I should put it in as a full screen because then I can put my text in the little caption box. So put hasta luego and adios in there. Now, actually, I think I do want to change this photo. So I'm going to click it, press replace, find a different one. There we go. This one's much clearer, I think, much better visual rather than having to read two sets of text. And then when you're happy, you can present, and then you can scroll through it and see what you think. If you want to make any changes to the appearance, just press escape and you can use themes in the top right to change things. But I've just pressed share and publish because I want to create a link. I can also share it via Google Classrooms or Microsoft Teams, or you can just use that link there and you've created your very own web page.